A single microscopic spore can initiate a vast fungal network spanning acres underground. Imagine entire mountain ranges slowly buckling into existence from shifting planetary plates. These breathtaking transformations, often invisible to the naked eye, all possess a precise point of inception. Understanding these humble beginnings unveils the universe's most patient and powerful creative forces. Time-lapse photography condenses monumental geological shifts and biological growth into fleeting moments. It allows us to witness processes unfolding over centuries, even millennia, in mere seconds of screen time. The journey from an imperceptible starting point to a magnificent, mature state is truly mesmerizing to behold. These rapid visual narratives reveal how minuscule actions accumulate into profound, irreversible changes over time. From a tiny seed pushing through soil to a skyscraper piercing the clouds, every change has a genesis. This extraordinary perspective fundamentally alters our perception of growth, decay, and the relentless march of nature. We often observe the magnificent final outcome, but rarely grasp the quiet, foundational moments of their creation. Uncovering these initial sparks of transformation illuminates the fundamental mechanics of the entire natural world. These origins are not always dramatic. Sometimes they are almost impossibly subtle, defying immediate detection. Yet, within these initial conditions lies the blueprint for everything that will eventually emerge into existence. This intricate dance of Genesis unfolds around us constantly, hidden within plain sight until illuminated by time-lapse. Exploring these mesmerizing beginnings reveals the true artistry and incredible patience inherent in all natural systems. Consider the formation of a majestic stalactite inside a dark, ancient cave system. Its origin begins with a single drop of water, saturated with dissolved minerals, seeping through rock. As this water slowly evaporates from the cave ceiling, it leaves behind a microscopic ring of calcite. Over countless years, each subsequent drop adds another infinitesimally thin layer, gradually building the icicle-like structure. But what about transformations occurring on a much grander, planetary scale? The birth of a volcanic island begins deep beneath the ocean surface, with a persistent plume of magma. This superheated rock slowly pushes upwards, breaching the oceanic crust and erupting onto the seafloor. Over millions of years, repeated eruptions deposit layers upon layers of lava, slowly forming a submerged mountain. Eventually, this colossal structure breaks the ocean's surface, creating new land where no land existed before. And the origins of life itself are even more profound and complex. The germination of a plant seed, a familiar miracle, starts with specific environmental triggers like moisture and warmth. Water softens the protective seed coat, allowing oxygen to reach the tiny embryo nestled within its dormant state. Hormones inside the seed then activate, signaling the embryonic root, the radicle, to push downwards. Simultaneously, the embryonic shoot or plumule begins its upward journey, seeking precious sunlight and open air. This molecule's move delicate, seeking stability, coordinated emergence from dormancy, represents the fundamental origin of nearly all plant life on Earth. Yet, this simple process belies a universe of intricate genetic programming. Consider the initial formation of a crystal, a seemingly inanimate object with astonishing internal structure.
It starts with a supersaturated solution where molecules move freely but are constantly seeking stability.
A single impurity or a subtle temperature change can provide the nucleation point, the first perfect atomic lattice. Other dissolved molecules then precisely align themselves onto this initial lattice, expanding the crystal's structure outwards. But what about transformations driven by something entirely different, like human ingenuity? The origin of a sprawling metropolis often begins with a strategic geographical advantage, like a river confluence or natural harbor. Early settlements establish themselves, forming small communities attracted by resources and defensive positions. Over centuries, these humble beginnings attract more people, leading to increased trade, infrastructure development, and population growth. Each new building, road, or bridge represents a deliberate act of creation, slowly shaping the urban landscape.
However, even the most enduring structures eventually face another kind of origin, the start of decay.
The origin of decay in a derelict building often begins with a tiny crack, allowing moisture to penetrate materials. This moisture encourages microscopic mold and bacteria, slowly breaking down organic components of the structure. Repeated freeze-thaw cycles expand these cracks, weakening the structural integrity of concrete and masonry. Rust forms on exposed metals, further compromising strength and staining surfaces with telltale orange streaks. Witnessing these origins through time-lapse reshapes our fundamental understanding of time and change itself. It reveals that even the most monumental shifts are simply accumulations of countless patient beginnings. This perspective fosters a profound appreciation for the intricate, often unseen, processes governing our world. Understanding how things start provides invaluable insights into predicting future growth, decline, and adaptation. For scientists, it means better models for climate shifts, ecological succession, and even planetary evolution. For engineers, it informs more durable designs by comprehending the exact points where material fatigue originates. For urban planners, recognizing the initial attractors of cities helps design sustainable, thriving communities. These visual narratives offer a tangible connection to the deep past and the potential future of any given system. They underscore the immense power held within seemingly insignificant moments: the first breath, the first tremor. Every grand transformation, whether natural or human-made, begins with an imperceptible, yet incredibly potent, spark. This knowledge empowers us to intervene effectively, whether nurturing growth or preventing destructive processes. It highlights the interconnectedness of all phenomena, demonstrating how one beginning can trigger a cascade of events. The beauty of these origins lies in their simplicity, yet their capacity to unfold into breathtaking complexity. Ultimately, time-lapse origins remind us that the biggest stories often begin with the quietest, most humble paragraphs. They prompt a deeper reflection on our own small beginnings and the potential for immense personal transformation. Such insights truly make us reconsider the very fabric of existence and our place within its unfolding narrative. These mesmerizing time-lapse origins unveil the universe's most patient and incredibly powerful artists at work. Every grand transformation, from a single cell to a mountain, begins with an imperceptible, yet vital, spark. It is through these quiet beginnings that the entire magnificent tapestry of existence is meticulously woven. If you found this exploration of transformations, humble origins truly captivating, please subscribe for more journeys. Hit the like button to support our channel and help others discover these incredible visual stories. And share your favorite natural beginning or transformation origin in the comments section below. We love hearing your thoughts and engaging with fellow enthusiasts about the wonders of our world. Join our community as we continue uncovering the hidden marvels and patient artistry of the universe.